What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all, I am showing y'all some amazing deals at Dollar General this week, y'all. Dollar General is showing out this week, and you must go and get up on some of these deals. I can't even talk right, y'all. I'm so excited to show y'all some of these deals. But before we get into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how you doing? To all my returning subscribers, you already know the deal. So with that being said, let's get into these deals. I don't got nothing to say except I missed y'all. It seemed like I've been gone forever. And I haven't had no luck this clearance event, y'all. They done wiped everything out. I've been looking high and low. I haven't traveled to a Dollar General that's not close to me. That's probably what the problem is. I probably got to travel a little far out to find some stuff. We'll probably see about that another day before the clearance event ends. But let's get into these deals, y'all. Okay, y'all, here is like some of the items I had got up on. Starting off with the degree. If you are a degree user, now is your chance. They already have a save $2 instantly on these degree deodorants. It's even on the spray ones, but I didn't pick those up. So starting off with these two, the deep cedar and lavender, y'all, they were $5, but when you scan the degree on your app, it already took the $2 off. So both of these degrees are $3 now. So both of these will be $6. We have a $4 coupon coming off, y'all, making both of these $2 are $1 each. Then I decided to mix it up a little bit and get the degree max protection, and it was normally $5.75, but it is $3.75 now. And this one is $3 still, so this total was $6.75. The $4 came off, making both of them $2.75 or $1.37 each. Where can you get some degree at for $1.37? Plus, these are full size deodorants. These are not the travel sizes. Then I wanted to get two of the women's. They both were $3.75, so that was $7.50 for both of them. My $4 came off, making both of these $3.50 or $1.75 each, y'all. I had to show y'all this. If you don't get up on this deal, do it Saturday, 5 off 25, whatever. Long as you get in on this deal, and especially if you don't use this, but you are trying to build you a stockpile, now is your chance to get some deodorant. Now, for the L'Oreal hair dye, and it's the color Midnight Violet. So if you can see, it's like a dark purplish color. But these are on clearance for $4.87. So two of them will be $9.74. I know y'all like, what are you getting at? I'm getting at, we have a $8 coupon off of two, duh. So when that $8 comes off of both of these, you will be paying $1.74 for some hair dye. And I don't even use this color. My hair is always jet black. But next week I will be a Midnight Violet. Nah, I'm just playing. I might sell these. I don't know, y'all. But my girls switch up their hair color so much. They might like these. I don't know. They like the lighter colors. And this is kind of dark. So I'll probably end up selling this though, but I cannot pass it up with an $8 off coupon because I scanned it. It was on the little clearance table and that coupon popped up. Yeah, that coupon right here, that $8 off, I was like, oh yeah, I gotta get this. But y'all, this is not over for the deals, y'all. Not by far. Let me show y'all some more stuff that you must get this week at the Dollar General. Okay, y'all, here is my next set of items, y'all. We are going to start off with this Gain. They call it Gain Plus now. It's the 45 loads. And the old Gain, this size is usually $7.50, but they raised it up, y'all, to $9.95. But hold on. We have a $5 coupon, y'all. I for sure Dollar General was gonna snatch this coupon off. Thought it was a misprint and everything. I was kind of scared to clip the coupon, but I clipped it. It came off, y'all. Made these $4.95. Yes, these big 45 load Game Plus detergents, and make sure it says Plus. Is It's the only one it will attach to. And a disclaimer, we have two coupons attaching to this, the $5 one and the $2 one. Both of them are Dollar General coupons, so it means they will not stack. And they will more than likely just give you $2 off instead of the $5 off. So if you haven't already, do not clip that $2 coupon unless you purchase something else in its place. So the 5 will automatically have to attach to the Game Plus. So if you clipped it, you're going to have to get something to replace it. But if you haven't, just clip the $5 off first. This coupon right here, clip this one, not this $2 one right here. Because like I said, they will not stack. They are both Dollar General coupons. Now, if one was a manufacturer and one was a Dollar General, it would stack. But in this case, no, don't even try it. Then, y'all, I found these cute shower caps. This one is pink with some smiley faces, and this one is like pink with some little red cherry hearts. Super cute. And it was the blue dot. It looks like the light blue dot or whatever, but it was blue dot in accessories. 15 cents, y'all, for some cute shower caps. I don't know how big these are, but hey, a shower cap is a shower cap, and especially for 15 cents. So don't forget to check out some Blue Dot accessories too, because they do have some super cute items. And definitely don't forget your Gain laundry detergent for $4.95. I don't think I've seen something so cheap in a while. I got excited, y'all. But yeah, check that out. Now let's get on to these other items. We don't got all day. Okay, y'all, here is my next set of items. We have the Gain 105 count dryer sheets. It don't matter which one you get. I just decided to get the older defense ones. They are $4.75. We have $1 coming off, making them $3.75. Then I had got one of these Gain Pluses, and I'm about to tell y'all why. And that's because they have a $4 coupon attaching. They are $15.95. We have $4 coming off, making them $11.95. Cheaper than the other big gains like it's like the older ones. They are $15.95 as well and have $3 coming off, making them 12 something. So I decided to save probably $1 or so getting these for $11.95. And another thing about these, they have two coupons attaching, a $4 and a $3 one. Do not clip the $3 one, as you will get $3 off on this instead of the $4 what you really wanted. Unless you end up purchasing two of these, then you can get 3 off of one and 4 off the other one. And that'll probably be a good deal to do on Saturday with the 5 off of 25 if you make a mistake and clip both of these coupons. So just be careful about that with these two gain products, because again, when I seen that coupon, I thought it was a glitch coupon as well, or one of those coupons that they didn't mean to give us. But y'all, let me show y'all the last couple of items that are hot this week, and you might want to check them out. So let's get into these last couple of items before we end this video. Okay, y'all, here is some last items to get up on this week at Family Dollar. Starting off with the Fabuloso. It is buy two, get one free. They $5 each. So you paying $10 for three Fabulosos. But if you're not a Fabuloso type of person, they also have Ajax, Palmolive, Murphy's Oil, and Suavitel that you can also mix and match. And on one of the Palmolives, they do have a 75-cent off coupon. So if you decide to pick one of those up, you will be saving more than just buy two get one free. You'll actually be getting 75 cents off of that Palmolive. Then moving on, y'all, to the Vaseline lotion. I just love when they give us coupons for lotion, and it's super cheap. Well, I went to two of my Dollar Generals, and one of them is higher than the other. So two of these Vaselines was $4.50. We have $2 coming off, making it $2.50. And then the other store, it was $5, and I had a two coming off, making it $3. So just depends on your store, I guess, because if you are a frequent Dollar General shopper like me, I noticed some of the stores' prices are higher than the others, and this store is practically right up the street from each other. So I don't know why that is, but it's weird. And the store that's more expensive is the one that's always having what I'm looking for. So it's just ridiculous. Then moving on to the Nivea lotion. It is on sale for $5. Regular price on these is $5.85. We have a $2 coming off of that, making these just $3. And I love to get stocked up on the Niveas, and these are flying off the shelf, especially this vanilla scent. They leave the regular ones, but the vanilla scent is always the first to go. And I looked up and was able to at least grab two of these. But yeah, y'all, that coupon is going to be on repeat. And the Vaseline coupon is going to be on repeat as well. But yeah, y'all, that is the end of the video. Make sure you get out to Dollar General this week and get up on some of these deals. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, because I would hate for y'all to miss out, because no telling what type of deals I will be dropping next. With that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.